Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yuta Parangan. I will continue at the next materi of psycholinguistic aspect. In psycholinguistic aspect, there are 5 aspects. There is language processing, lexical storage and retrieval, language acquisition, special circumstance, psycholinguistic acquisition and use. Okay, next. Language processing. Language processing refers to the way human beings use words to communicate ideas and feelings, and how such communication are understood. Understanding what other people say and write is more complicated than it might at first appear. Processing language involves a variety of capacities, skills, process, knowledge, and disposition that are used to drive meaning from spoke, write, and technique language. It is mainly thought to occur in the word mix area of the brain, which is located in the left temporal lobe. The main function of this cortical area is the symbolic representation of language. Language processing is a complex procedure that occurs easily and effortlessly by humans. It develops along with the brain and is able to enhance with the use of gesture. Though it is unknown exactly how early it is fully developed in children, gestures are undoubtedly useful for understanding the language around us. It is how the brain creates and understands language. Most recent theory consider that is carried out entirely by the inside of the brain. Language processing, reading, writing, speaking, listening, and memory. For instance, how words on paper are into the meaning in the mind. Lexical strike and retrieval. The way words are stored in our minds and used. How we are able to map words onto objects such as ball and actions such as catch and love and access these when needed. Next, language acquisition. Language acquisition is a process which can take place at any period of one's life in the sense of first language acquisition. However, it refers to the acquisition of one's native language or language in the case of bilinguals during the first 6 or 7 years of one's life, roughly from birth to the time one starts school. For example, learning the rules of grammar and how to communicate with other people. And special circumstance, how internal and external factors can impact language development, such as twins and their use of twins language, the influence of hearing and vision impairments and acquisition, and how damage to the brain can affect certain aspects of language. Okay, second language acquisition and use. Second language acquisition is the process by which people learn language in addition to their native language. The term second language is used to describe any language whose acquisition starts after early childhood, including what may be the third or subsequent language learned. The language to be learned is often referred to as the target language. Second language acquisition is also the scientific discipline devoted to study the process. The field of second language acquisition is a subdiscipline of applied linguistics, but also receives research attention from a variety of other disciplines such as psychology and education.